Oh yeah, it reminds me of the Shire, the rolling hills. Oh, all the sheep, so many sheep. Everywhere. Oh, I can't believe it. Oh, it's fucking gorgeous. Look at that. We are here in the dinosaur park. Okay, so we're here at a dino park in Rotorua. It's a little dinosaur themed car park. We booked 2 nights here. So we've got ourselves a little plot of land that we're camped on that we can hang out in overnight, legally of course. It's kind of centrally located. It's just outside of town. It doesn't smell like eggs. And it has a shower facility and some power, so we can charge up cameras, laptops, batteries. We have Wi-Fi, so we can start uploading some stuff. Yeah, this will be home base for the next 2 days, so it'll be pretty cool.
We're going to Hobbiton!
We're going to Hobbiton! Woo!
So we are at Hobbiton, where they filmed The Shire, Lord of the Rings, and Lord of the Rings trilogy, and The Hobbit. And we're going to take a tour here in like an hour or so. And I'm really excited because I'm a huge Lord of the Rings fan.
Hello.
How are you?
Best day ever.
Oh, I'm excited now.
All right. So Hobbiton is actually on 12 acres of land. It's a 12-acre movie set, and they have 44 Hobbit holes. Fun fact, the Green Dragon wasn't even built until 2012, long after the filming for The Hobbit was completed.
Enjoy your drink.
That's really good. You like to sing it? Jake, what are these?
These are meat pies from Hobbiton. So we're gonna eat like hobbits and drink like hobbits. So after checking out Hobbiton and the Lord of the Rings set, we decided that we're going to do the whole Lord of the Rings journey. We're gonna go from the Shire all the way to Mt.Doom, and we're gonna do it in like a day instead of taking like however long Frodo and Sam took, like what, 7 months or something like that. So we're heading to Mt.Doom right now, and we don't have a ring to drop in it, and we can't actually go to the top because it's sacred ground. But we're gonna go near it, so I mean that should count, right?
15-minute walk. So apparently this is the spot where Gollum...
Yeah, where Gollum eats the fish, and he gets captured by Moromir's brother. Yeah, Faramir. But he's close to me right now, so let's hike on up. Check it out. Go find Gollum. 3-hour cut, 40 minutes to the falls. Mt.Doom, we're gonna head down to Weta Studios and check it out. See some of the behind the scenes Lord of the Rings stuff. Maybe do a studio tour. Yeah, it'll be pretty cool. Looking forward to it. Right now we're doing about 100 kilometers. 100 kilometers. We're doing 100. Down the road. Heading towards Wellington. We should be there tonight. Look at these cows. Look at them all. Yeah. We are here at Weta Studios, the studio that Peter Jackson and company has founded back in 2008. They've worked on many things: Lord of the Rings, The Hobbit, Thunderbirds, Our Go. It's like they did some stuff for Game of Thrones, Avatar, yada yada. The list goes on. But we're checking it out. We're gonna do a studio tour and hang out with some trolls. So we're not actually allowed to film inside Weta Studios. So that brings the Lord of the Rings edition of our journey to an end.